lovely estate in Destin, Florida. Come on, little kitchen area. Don't mind me have a kind of, you know, set stuff up, so it's a little bit messy. Come on. Now we have our living room area. This is my suitcase. It's a little overstuffed, but you know how. Oh, are you zooming in? That's not me. No, don't do that. Anyway, it has this little fireplace, you know, kind of fun, a little desk area. Yeah, it's really cute. Come on. Now we've gone into our bedroom. I didn't realize that we were sharing a bed, but me and my sister are staying in here. This is just kind of like our little bedroom area. It does have this little closet area, a little small, you know, I'm used to the big closets. But anyway, we're gonna move past that. We have a little bit of a TV set up, nice little blinds. Let's see the view. Come on, see the view. That's a little bit underwhelming. A little bit underwhelming, but we are gonna move past that. And then it comes to the bathroom portion of our little estate. Oh, her. This is our bathroom area. As you can see, it's a little messy. This is kind of the messiest part of the room. But we're gonna move past that. And then we come into our little shower area. Real cutesy patoots. And then we have my mom's room, but she's in there and she will yell at me. So that is my lovely estate in Destin, Florida. Red flag, which means that the tides are too high, so that's sad, but we're gonna still get beach pictures, so I guess it's fine. Like a little bit sun right now, but it's not what the bag of chips. So me and Morgan are just gonna take pictures right now and low-key leave because I'm kind of hungry. So coastal capital. Y'all, so pictures, they came out kind of tea. Do you see them?
Instagram will be fair tonight because I know my picture.
Because she was not being fair and she was taking like 2 pictures of me for every 5 pictures I was taking of her. Anyway, yeah. Now we're headed hopefully to dinner because I'm hungry.
The next day.
Hopefully you guys can freaking hear me because the rain is kind of insane, but we're gonna move past that. But today we're going thrifting.
Somebody smell like shit! Somebody smell like shit! Wait! Somebody smell like shit!
Hey girls, so basically we're going on a helicopter ride. This is my outfit. Let me show you guys because, yeah. This is it. It's really simple. It's just jorts. This is her shirt. You know.
Okay, Lululemon, just regular shorts and my shoes. And then hair, face, yeah.
Alright, let's go because she's getting tired of us. Clearly we're bothering her. But yeah. Guys, we're about to get on. I'm a little nervous. No, I'm not.
I'm a bad bitch. You can't kill me. Oh, cute. I was scared. I'm not scared. I'm scared a little bit. Are you scared?
Nah.
Hot. Now they're just like warm tubs. I feel like when we were kids, they were so fucking hot. You trying to square up?